Okay, this is a quick video on how to replace a battery and disable the panic button, which oftentimes goes off unwanted. So you'll take the key, typical Honda key, would probably work for most any Civic, Accord, Acura, and other models. Flip that over. You're going to have to take out that little screw, and you may have to apply a lot of pressure pushing down and turning counterclockwise initially. It should finally come out. And you can pop this cap off. You want to initially pull it up and then push it forward. Put that aside. And this unit should pop out. It's sealed. And if you want to disable the panic button first, you'll see it here. And you want to take a set of pliers, just apply some pressure. Be careful not to rip the waterproofing on the bottom, but it should just peel off from the adhesive. There you go. And you can flip this over. You'll see the battery. I'd pop that out, pop in the new one, in case you need to know which type. Okay. And you'll just replace it with a new battery and reverse these steps, and you're good to go. Just tighten that screw down. And you are done.